So, Aproko Nation, today we are going to talk about how you are destroying your skin because it's becoming a serious problem how some of you are treating your skin. And if I leave it to you by yourself, it will become a health disaster waiting for you in front. But before we go any further, if you really care about your skin and your health, I know you do, this is the good time to click on that subscribe button that is there and like, comment so that other people can see this video. If you know somebody that needs this video, please send it to them. You see the skin that you are looking at? Yes, it does a lot of work for you. But if you treat it anyhow, it's going to see anyhow. And you too are going to see anyhow. Because your skin is just to be doing fine boy and fine girls. It's not. Your skin is more important than that. And I'm going to explain to you how you can respect your skin and treat it well. First of all, your skin is your security organ. Yes, your security guard is your guard. What it does is that it blocks dirt, germs, and sickness from entering your body. It's called a barrier immunity. It also controls your body heat. Have you ever noticed how you sweat when it's hot or even start to shake when it's cold? That is your skin trying not to overheat or freeze your internal organs. Another thing that your skin does is that it gives you warning. When you touch fire or sharp objects, it's your skin that alarms you first. The nerve endings in your skin alarm you first. Another thing that your skin does is that it's responsible for receiving vitamin D from the sunlight. So as sun is shining, your skin is manufacturing it into something else that can help you. Your bones need that vitamin D. Your immune system needs it as well. So go outside and touch grass. Small sun will not kill you, but use sunscreen. While you're at it, don't be overexposed to sun. I'm not saying now, we now say Aproko say we should stand under sun because of vitamin D. The sun that we have in Nigeria is a different kind of sun, just so you know. Also, when you have an injury or tear on your skin begins the process of repairing itself immediately. Faster than that mechanic can repair that your Lamborghini. Sorry, some of you don't have Lamborghini, but it's fine. You know what I'm talking about. Your skin is also a mirror of what's happening inside. If you are stressed, if you're not eating right, if you're not taking care of your body, your skin will start to show it. Those pimples, rashes, dry patches are signs that your skin is trying to tell you that something is up. But the Emeka and Nkechi know they respect their skin. You are bleaching it. You are scrubbing it like the back of black pots. You are rubbing mixtures that you cannot even know what is inside. They are using it to do lab rats, and you will complain that your skin has spoiled. Newsflash, you are the one that is doing yourself. Here is a list of how Nigerians are actually destroying their skin. Number 1, skin bleaching is everywhere. And Nigeria has one of the highest rates of using bleaching cream in the world. It's not me that said it, it's BBC. Studies have even shown that 77% of Nigerian women bleach their skin. So if you divide Nigeria into 3, 2 over 3 are using bleaching cream. Can see? It's plenty. But from cream to soap to injection, people think that they look better when their skin is bright. But what really happens when you bleach? First of all, your skin starts to thin out. You get burns. You have to have stretch marks over time. Sometimes your skin cannot even heal properly. I know somebody that we tried to stitch the skin. As you're stitching the skin, it's coming out. Once you draw it, the skin will tear. It's very difficult, especially during surgery. Another thing that other people are using to destroy their skin is scrubbing. Yes. Some of you think that the harder you brush, the cleaner your skin. It's not true. If you exfoliate too much, thinking it will make you glow, what it does is that it just irritates your skin and dries it out, leaving it more sensitive because your skin also has natural oil that is supposed to act as a barrier or protect even the skin itself. If you continue like that, you're going to have more problems than you started with. Another thing that you also need to be careful for is these things that you put on your skin. You also need to know that your skin, in as much as is a barrier and can protect you from germs and whatever it is, you also need to know that it's permeable. In other words, permeable means that certain things can permeate inside. In other words, it can enter inside. So what you rub on your skin can actually enter into your body. So you can't just go to, because it's on IG Live, and then you buy random cream from somebody that they cannot tell you 5 ingredients that's inside the cream that you are putting inside your body. Who recommended it for you? Who was this thing? Don't just rub things on your body, especially if they are loaded with chemicals that are not good for you. Some of these chemicals that might be bad for you: mercury, lead, hydroquinone. Yes, some people even have steroids. So just because your skin influencer is saying, oh, it works for me, does not mean that it's going to work for you. It can damage your skin. Another thing that people damage their skin for is the thing, I don't need sunscreen because I'm black. Come closer, let me tell you something. It's a big lie. It's called the sun. Hey! Let's go back. The sun does not care what color your skin is. Without sunscreen, your skin will get dark spots, burns, and even start aging faster than it should. So sunscreen is actually a layer of protection that can protect your skin from the UVA and the UVB rays of the sun that can actually cause cancer. So my dear, sunscreen. Now, some of you are also asking which type of sunscreen should we use if you are in Nigerian sun, SPF 50. Yes, broad spectrum sunscreen, SPF 50. That's like one of the, you shall just use it. Now, diet and water. Day and night, Emeka and Nkechi will eat all the oily, spicy foods in the corner of Lagos and drink very little water and wonder why your skin looks dull. Some of you, anything that has sugar, you pass, bam, you've drank it, and you're wondering why your skin is breaking out. That's because your skin is a reflection of what's going on inside your body. If you're not eating right or staying hydrated, it will show. Some of you, you sleep with makeup on. I need to know the color of your situationship. Because when you go to bed with all that makeup, it will block all the facial pores where sweat and oil is supposed to escape from. And when you wake up, you see that you've gotten new people. You start blaming your village people. No, it's not. Some of you even sleep with dirty pillowcase. Yes, as I'm talking to you, you know that pillowcase that has been there for the past 3 weeks. You're asking for problems. So wash that your pillowcase regularly. As a matter of fact, every week, every 2 days. Some of you even need to change your bed. And you know I'm talking to you. Yes. Another way that you people are also slowly damaging your skin is by using antiseptic soap on your skin. Oh, you thought I will not go there. I will go there. I know they've marketed it to you as if you use antiseptic soap, you're going to be clean and bright, but it's not true. First of all, your body or your skin has what you call the normal or natural flora that is supposed to be there. The reason part of that normal flora is there is to protect it from harmful bacteria. If you now use antiseptic soap and kill the normal flora that is supposed to be on your skin, you are exposing yourself to external bacteria, and before you know what's happening, problem. So antiseptic soap is not for your body. Use it and wash your hand when you're trying to prevent germs. And that includes antiseptic drops too. Even for children. Yes, I said it. Go ask your doctor. Stop arguing with me online. Go ask your doctor. And finally, ignoring real skin issues or going to the wrong people for skin issues. If you have acne, eczema, or any serious skin problem, it is not somebody online that you don't know the person's qualification that will tell you what to do for the cream. And it works for me is not proof that it works. Go and meet a doctor or a dermatologist that have collected certificate on how to take care of this organ called the integumentary system, also known as the skin. So you can see, protect it by going to the right people. Let me ask you a question. If something is wrong with your car, do you take it to Rafiu, the plumber? No, you take it to Emeka, the mechanic. But how come when it comes to your skin, rather than taking it to the dermatologist, you carry your whole skin and take it to somebody that in chemistry, they got F9 in school. All of a sudden, they know how to take care of skin. Okay, continue. Now, if you've been using harmful skincare products, you're ignoring sunscreen, or you're carrying some of these things that I've mentioned from number 1 to number N, sorry, it's fine. I have good news. It's not too late to fix it. Some things you need to do in order to fix it is see a doctor. If your skin is damaged, visit a dermatologist. Some people, your skin is very forgiving, and once you stop all those harmful things, it can bounce back, to prevent further damage. Use skin products that are safe. Stick to products that nourish your skin, not destroy it. Right? Talk to your doctor and decide which type of skin products you actually need. You see sunscreen, keep it close to you inside your bag. It's very important. It's not just for fair people. It protects your skin from premature aging, burns, and long-term damage. And also spread awareness about these things. Educate people. Talk about it. Tell your brothers, your friends, your sisters, your family, anybody that has skin. Talk to them. Share this video with them also. And also add your voice to our voice that the Nigerian government needs to crack down and ban some of these toxic skincare products. You can't be mixing cream in your parlor and calling it skincare products. You're damaging us. I know, yes, it's looking like a vex, but that's because it's actually a very important topic that we need to pay attention to. And if you think that you've been helped by this video, tell me some things in the comment section that you think I've left out. Let's also talk about it on a later date. Send this video to somebody. Thank you very much. Subscribe. It's here. It's here. And there's another video that we're going to release very soon. There's that bell there, the bell icon. Turn it on so that you don't miss it.